चिखलें ज्यो इंडस्ट्री आसात त्यो फाटलीं कितलींशींच वर्सां जालीं सरकाराक तशेंच थळाव्या प्रशासनाकूय एक्कूय पयसो दिनात. ह्या संदर्भांत पंचायत मंत्र्यान इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट तशेंच थळाव्या प्रशासना बरोबर बसका आयोजीत केल्ली. RDX गोवा खातीर चिखलेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Chicalim Govt has a grievance that not a pie has been paid to the Govt. All this land in the name of industrial estate has been occupied for so long illegally. Maybe I think for the last 25 years. People are doing such activity, whether it is industrial, whether it is commercial, whether it is other activity. And nobody pays anything to the government, either to the government or to a local self body, or for that matter anything happening whereby they pay some taxes to the government. So first step has been taken. They have already accepted it, and they said that they will come back to us after their board of directors of the Mauvin industrial estate meet. There is a Mauvin industrial estate existing in Double-In constituency, and as far as that industrial estate is concerned, there was apprehension from the Panchayat that in spite of so many developmental works taking in that area, in and around that area, this industrial estate, out of this industrial estate and economic activity that goes on in different sheds, which actually has not been designated as the industrial estate, but commercial activity is going on. Not a single unit except bearing one, we are paying any dues to the Panchayat in terms of taxes or in terms of other revenue accruing to the Panchayat. So in principle today at a joint meeting with the Panchayat, Mauvin industrial estate and me chairing the meeting, we have decided that they will go back to all their members, to their board of directors, convey to all the members that they have to pay some dues to the Panchayat. This is the first step that has been taken, and they have agreed. Meanwhile, Panchayat will immediately go and do a fresh assessment as to what economic activity is taking place, which are the commercial institutions there, which are doing some other type of activity. Nevertheless, all existing units, since they are existing since such a long time, and it is, though not officially designated, they call themselves Mauvin Industrial Estate, they will, after assessment, fix a tax that has to accrue to the Panchayat. So this tax will be collected by the Panchayat.
Issue or dispute, it's always better to sit across the table and decide what is wrong, where can be corrected. That's all. There's no point in, we're not interested in fighting against the Panchayat or the Commandant. We all want to exist there. Similarly, they also have to exist. The thing which I can't make a comment, it is because we have a committee, we have a board, so the matter has to go to them, and individually we have to identify all the things and then make a comment on that. We just can't say somebody makes a allegation that it's illegal. I can't say it's illegal. No, it has to be proved.